We're back on If This Then That, and we're going to use this tool to connect our website to Facebook. In other words, when a new post arrives on our website, we want it automatically posted to Facebook. That's what we're going to do right now. So let's sign in. And we can go to My Recipes. We haven't got any recipes yet, but we want to create a recipe. And you do the recipes very easily. You click on this, then you select what it is that you want to monitor, then you click on that and you set what it is you want to do. So let's just click on this to begin with, and we choose a trigger channel. Now the trigger is actually going to be the RSS feed on our website. All WordPress websites have them. I can actually go there by clicking on this little RSS feed icon on my site, and that's what it looks like. It may look a little bit different if your web browser is rendering it slightly differently. The other thing you can do to get to your feed is just put /feed on the end of your URL, and then just copy that feed URL and go back to If This Then That. We need to find the RSS, so let's just type in RSS and feed comes up. So click on it. And then we get this step here, step 2, that says, what do we want to monitor? Well, we want to monitor new feed items. And it's asking us for the feed URL, so we just paste it in. And then we create the trigger. So what we've done so far is we've just said to the If This Then That, if there is a new item on this feed, then trigger whatever it is that we are now going to define. So here we are. If new feed on the RSS, if there's a new item on the RSS feed, then, and we're going to go to that, type in Facebook, and we want Facebook pages because we want to post this to the Facebook page. You're going to have to connect now with your Facebook account, so click the connect button. And you can see here that it's asking which Facebook page do I want to connect to. That drop down box has all of my Facebook pages. I want Fishy Fats, so I'm going to click on Update. Facebook page is connected. And then we can click on Continue to the next step. Okay, so this is what's going to happen when there's a new feed item. We want to either create a status message or create a link post, or we could upload a photo from the URL. Since we're linking to a post, we'll click on Create a Link Post, and is now asking what it is we want in the link URL. Well, that comes pre-populated with entry URL, which is going to be the URL of the feed item, which is the URL that points to the post, so that's correct. And then in the message, if you click into the message box, we can click on the little flask here and add an ingredient. Let's put the entry content and then click Add Ingredient. And then you can see we've got the entry content there. Let's create the action. So create and connect. If there's a new feed item from this feed, then create a link post on Fishy Fats. There's the recipe title. Click on the Create Recipe, and that recipe will now run. It's going to check our website periodically, check the feed. If it finds a new item on that feed, then it's going to send that item. It's going to create a link post on the Facebook page we created. So that's the first step. In the next tutorial, we're going to do something very similar, but with Twitter.